This label is very important, and I'm going to show you why. Today, we're going to be looking at a handheld rolling knife sharpener system. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged very nicely to protect it during shipping. And it also comes in a nice storage box that you can use when this is not in use. Inside the box, you are going to have the actual rolling knife sharpener. This has a diamond grinding disc and a ceramic honing disc. The diamond grinding disc is on this side, ceramic honing disc is on this side. While you are sharpening, you do want to keep the diamond grinding disc side up. It also comes with a cradle and the instruction manual. On the bottom of the cradle, it's going to give you a guide on what angle to angle your knives for different types of knives. So 15 degrees for boning knives, 18 degrees for santoku knives, 20 degrees for kitchen knives, and 25 degrees for hunting knives and cleavers. This is really important because each of the sides of these are marked with the specific degree. It's angled perfectly and it is magnetic to keep your knife in place. Okay, so we are going to sharpen this knife, and for kitchen knives, it is 20 degrees. So we're going to find the 20 degree side and we're going to magnetize the knife to the 20 degree side. Then we're going to use the diamond side and we're going to just roll it. See how my hand slipped there? I didn't realize what I was doing until after I was done with this because it is not facing straight up, and as I'm doing this, it's scratching my granite countertop. You want to make sure that this is sharpened on both sides of the knife. So once you're done with one side, you're going to flip it over and use the diamond plate on the other side. Then once you're done with the diamond plate, you're going to flip the entire device over and use the ceramic side. You can see this scratch a lot better now. That's why it's critically important to follow that instruction about keeping it up so that you're not scratching the surface that you're working on. If you tip it this way, the diamond blade is going to, or the diamond plate is going to scratch whatever surface you're working on. So make sure that you maintain control of this, because otherwise you will wind up with a scratch in your granite like I have now. Now we're going to do the tomato test with the knife I just sharpened. Look at that.